Welcome back, you guys. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that a lot of YouTubers find a little bit annoying, but I actually kind of embrace, but it needs to be moderated, you know what I'm saying? So we're here and it's a new year in YouTube, and a lot of people kind of still do this one thing that a lot of people know sucks. Like, they don't like it, you know what I'm saying? A lot of YouTubers just don't like it, and it's a problem because you're promoting yourself on somebody's channel. Now, I actually like it. You have a clothing line, go ahead and drop that mug in the comment section below. I get to look at it. I get to get inspiration from you guys, because you guys are definitely getting inspiration from me. I like to see that you guys are getting inspiration from me, and it's cool to do, okay? Like, just do that. As a matter of fact, what I want to do is I want to go through and look at those, and I want to be able to talk about that on my channel if you guys are cool with that, because that's what's going to end up happening anyways. Like, I'm going to go through and be like, oh, this is a clothing line, and hey, let me check this out. And I might even buy something to give to you guys, you know what I'm saying? And that's something that I want to do anyways, go through you guys' clothing lines and stuff like that, buy something and talk about why I bought it. Now, on the other hand, you have those people who are just putting in links for no reason, like check out my Behance or check out my Fiverr, especially the Fiverr. Why the Fiverr? I'm not on Fiverr. I don't mess with Fiverr. Who is putting out Fiverr? Why are you doing it? Stop it. You're just gonna get you blocked. I'm just gonna hide your channel. So whenever you comment, it's not gonna be seen by anybody. I've worked so hard. You guys need to work hard too. Don't be putting Fiverr on my channel or anybody else's channel. That would get you blocked. Another link spam that I'm just not into is people putting out their channel on my channel. And the reason why I don't like it is because the same reason from last time. I worked very hard, and many times I was the only person liking my video. And then we had 00 Soul who was here, and then I brought up an actual audience from that, okay? So you guys can do the exact same thing. What you should do is you should listen, you should watch, probably make your own little suggestions and stuff like that on like my design tutorials, or you can make your own suggestions, or you can add to it, you know what I'm saying, on these like discussion videos. But to just spam your links and stuff like that, spam your social media accounts and stuff like that, that's just gonna get you hidden. I like people who get on there and then talk about things, and then at the end of it they say, you know, if you want, you can check out my channel. You know what I'm saying? That's better. Get on there and say something like, don't forget to do color separation, because I don't do color separations in my videos and stuff like that. I just don't. You can say, hey, get on there and do color separations, and then a person be like, oh, what's color separation? You be like, well, this is what this is. You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh, wow, that's kind of cool. And then you be like, hey, you know, I do more of this stuff on my channel, so you can check it out. You know, that's cool with me. That is cool with me. A lot of people don't like that, but that's cool. It just needs to be moderated, you know what I'm saying? So it's okay for you guys to post like your clothing line down here, or a link to your clothing line, especially if you have like a Teespring or something like that. Teespring is cool with me, you know what I'm saying? Post it down there, especially if it's relevant, or, you know, just talk about what I'm doing in the video. Just don't spam me with a bunch of links, you know what I'm saying? But I'm open if you guys want to put like your clothing line down there, and I'm open if you guys want to talk about your YouTube channel and then get subscribers from there, you know what I'm saying? But do not, like I'm saying one more time, do not go down there and just post your links. Those links will get deleted. You'll be blocked and banned and all that stuff. As a matter of fact, in some cases, I even comment in the comment section, hey, put your links right here. Do anybody do it? No. They go to the next video and then they link spam the next video. What? Just kind of watch out for that, you guys. I don't mind if you guys put the links in, but be mindful, okay? Like, be respectful. It's not about getting all these different views and backlinks and stuff like that. No, it's not about that. No. Okay? Just no. It's about helping you guys get to where you guys need to be. All right, so if you got a clothing line, say, hey, Rob, can you check this out? You know what I'm saying? I would love your opinion on it. Link. If you're a YouTube channel, then say, hey, I enjoyed this. Maybe you could do this a little bit different or whatnot. Just get engaged with the video, you know what I'm saying? Even go through the subscribers just down there talking, and talk to them as well, because that's what people on YouTube do. It's a social media platform. Be social, but go through there, give some honest feedback to other people or whatnot, stuff that lets me know that you guys watch the video from point A to point B. At the end of that, say, check out my channel if you want. But do not go and start saying, just as your first comment, check out my channel, link spam. That will get you blocked, and that's not something that anybody who's starting a YouTube channel wants. And do not, I'm just say this one more time, do not put your Fiverr in my comment section. I'm against Fiverr. I hate Fiverr. I think Fiverr gives graphic designers a bad reputation. I feel like Fiverr isn't helping the community of t-shirt designers. I feel like Fiverr is giving people nothing for something, and that's just a bad trade. People really want something for nothing, but the person that's getting something is the person that's giving you guys nothing, and it's just a bad look all around. So forget Fiverr. Put your Fiverr down there. It's gone. But with that being said, you guys, that's pretty much it. So I know this was a quick one, and I had a lot to say. It's kind of like a mini rant, but I just had to get that one out there for you guys. So if you guys like this one, go ahead, thumbs up. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people that didn't. But if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Welcome to my channel. I don't always rant or anything like that. I'm pretty peaceful about a lot of things. It's just today I had to get something off my mind. But that's pretty much it, you guys. But I do want to say this much real quick. If you guys want to talk to me, Instagram is not it, okay? Follow me on Twitter. Twitter is the spot. You know what I'm saying? It is the spot. You want to hit me up on Twitter? I'm more active on Twitter. I only post pictures on Instagram so I can get likes and stuff like that. Or I try to get you guys on board with what I'm doing or whatnot. But Twitter, that's where I think about things. That's where I put out everything. I talk to a whole bunch of other YouTubers. And I pretty much engage with the community. If you guys post something and you tag me in it, I'm going to share it. Okay? If you post something on Twitter, you tag me in it, I'm going to share it. Okay? One more time. You post something on Twitter and you tag me in it, I'm going to share it, all right? So my Twitter, down here. If you guys want that type of exposure, hit me up on Twitter, have conversations with me, tag me in your clothes, all right? You have a picture for clothing, tag me in it, at me so I know it's real. And then I'm going to share it out. I like it, I'm going to share it out. If it's anything offensive to me and my community, I'm not going to share it out. But if I like it, which 100% of the times I do, you know what I'm saying? Because you guys are awesome. You guys are doing some cool things. I'm going to share it out. So that's pretty much it. And with that being said, you guys, stay amazing, stay creative, but above all else, stay awesome.